We are here in lovely Industry City in South Brooklyn in Sunset Park. It is another grocery shopping episode. You guys loved it so much at Mitsuwa, we had to take you to a new place. I've actually never been here. It's been open for a couple of years. We're not specifically here for Industry City, although it is a really cool place. We are here for the Japan Village. And joining us on this episode, we actually have a very special guest. She's very modest. I think she's a cooking genius myself. She's gonna help us. You have something in mind, right? All right, come on in, Chef Junko Aoki. She's going to guide us through our grocery shopping trip. She's got a couple of tofu dishes, specialties, some you may have heard of, some you might not have heard of. I don't even know what we're gonna get. That's just a part of the adventure. So let's go on into the village and let's get shopping.
The Japan Village is much more than just the SunriseMart. It's a full-blown village. Here you can find everything from Japanese sweets to sushi, noodles, steak, and even takoyaki. Due to the restrictions, however, most vendors only provide takeout or delivery. But we're here to do some shopping, and shopping we shall do.
Although it is a little smaller than Mitsuwa, this place is awesome. Think of it as your New York City compact Mitsuwa. They've got almost the exact same stuff as Mitsuwa, except it's right here in the city. 5-minute walk from the 36th Street station off of the yellow line to R. You can take a ferry down here. It is awesome. They've got everything from frozen produce, huge bags of rice the size of my body. They've got Pikachu, what's not to love about Pikachu? If you need some hair products, they've got hair products. You want some cute stuff, they've got cute stuff. You want some ugly stuff, they got ugly stuff. You have to come to Japan Village right here in Brooklyn. Who knew? Industry City, there's literally nothing around here but this gym right in the middle. We got this. I don't even know what this is, but we've got it. And it's gonna be so good. I love this place. Can we do an uni dish instead? It is $70 though, so.
I don't know
You actually make their own tofu in-house. You can guarantee you're gonna get the freshest, best tofu right here in the Japan Village.
Wow. And they make this atsage tofu. Just one item.
So it turns out the tofu that they're making is actually too soft for the dish that we want. So we are going to get a nice, what do you say, medium firm to extra firm?
No, extra soft.
Extra soft tofu. So we did end up getting the homemade tofu after all. I was mistaken. What we saw earlier was super soft. It wasn't what we were actually going to get. Junko stepped in, saved the day. We got this nice homemade tofu that we're going to utilize and enjoy to be so
Can I have that soap?
Once you're done getting all your goodies, you can enjoy them in the Japan Village courtyard. The area is home to Waku Waku and Oldies, a Japanese izakaya and cocktail bar respectively. This duo is not to be missed. While strolling through the courtyard, you can enjoy a beautiful mural by Lady Aiko and a Zen garden conceptualized by the artist team Chautza. But before we go, we gotta tell you about all the other treasures you can find here. Industry City is a historical shipping, warehousing, and manufacturing complex founded by business mogul Irving T. Bush in the early 1900s. While some parts are still in development, you can certainly find plenty of amazing hideaways. This place has everything. From small boutique shops to large retail stores, Industry City is home to over 50 shops and restaurants. Not only that, the complex also houses many artist studios, galleries, workspaces, and is home to over 450 major companies. If you couldn't find what you were looking for in the Japan Village, stop into Sahadi's, an expansive food mart that specializes in Mediterranean foods. Of course, no visit would be complete without a stop to Brooklyn's first sake brewery, Brooklyn Kura. And don't forget to swing on by Kuraichi to peruse their expansive, hand-curated selection of Japanese spirits and sake. The staff is super friendly.
With Junko's help, who you can't see dancing behind Yasu right now, we have gotten all of our ingredients for our mystery meal. Japan Village could not be happier about the place. Like I said, it's like Mitsuwa, but in a condensed space. Super distracting. It even has a food hall if you want a nice outdoor dining area just to kind of sit and relax and enjoy. So we are all set to go. Join us next episode as Junko teaches me how to cook these mysterious tofu dishes and we take a bite out of the wasabi apple. It's the TOFU cha-cha!